Allow me to introduce myself.
How's it going, guys? Back again with another technology review. Sorry again, it might have been a while since I've been around, but I've got some important things to be getting on with. However, today I am in the home gym studio to show you off a product that I believe suits this environment very well. The Powerbeats Pro by Dr. Dre and Apple, obviously, have just been released, and I've been waiting for these for a while. I mean, I have been always the biggest fan of the over-ear headphones by Beats. However, these have been raved about a lot, so obviously got my hands on it. These are the black pair. You can get ivory, a kind of blue one, and a moss color, I believe they call it. I've got the black pair, love black, always wear black in the gym normally. So let's unbox this, get into it, have a little chat about it, run it through its tests, and should you be buying it? Is it worth the money? Are they the best pair on the market? We'll find out. All right, let's go ahead and unbox these Powerbeats Pro, set them up, and then we'll have a little sound test. This little smart charging case. Nice. To pair, keep the headphones in the case, okay? Inside we've got more earbuds. We've got the lightning cable for the iPhone that will connect to the case, obviously. Nice little smart bit of packaging. Beats, have always raved that Beats have always had the best packaging for the headphones. I love them, honestly, really do. I know the packaging isn't everything, but you know, it's satisfying to kind of get into it. So, as you open the box, it'll ask you to pair to connect. Just connect. Good, and it'll tell you how much the case has got itself. On the battery, it'll tell you 66% charge on the case, and then the headphones themselves have 51%. So it's nice that it kind of tells you both of the charging percentages. Cool, so that's the unboxing. That is how you set them up. Let's have a little listen, and then let's have a little review and see what these headphones are all about. So the charging case itself will give you 2.5 hours roughly of charging time, and then the headphones themselves will give you, again, 9 hours of playback time. Sweat and water resistant, perfect for the gym environment. You don't want to have any problems with that. Also, if you're outside in the rain, you don't want to have to worry about your headphones. It just makes it very easy to get along with the product itself if it is water resistant. Adjustable secure ear fit to the back of the earbuds. It also provides you with inside some more smaller, medium or large earbuds to go in if you do have larger, smaller or medium ear holes, depending on the size that is provided in the box. And also as well, you have the on-ear controls with the headphones itself, so you don't have to go for the phone, pause, play, turn off, etc. etc. It has all of them in there, skip song, it has it. So, taking a look at the product itself. So these earbuds also have the same technology as the AirPods too, so that when they are taken apart, the phone will continue to play the music through itself, or it will be able to use all its sounds through the actual phone. However, once you've taken them apart, put them next to them in your ear, it will actually all come through the headphones. It will recognise that automatically. Everything's so much easier. You don't have to disconnect, reconnect, or fiddle around with your phone. It can all pretty much be done on here. Also, when it puts it in your ear, it does make a little slight noise, so that it allows you to know that the headphones have connected. So that if your phone is in your pocket and you're worried, oh, have the headphones actually connected, it'll give you a little bulb, and it will let you know that these headphones are connected. So now, the important bit, I guess, what is the sound quality on these? These are going to set you back about 220 quid, so you are going to be expecting somewhat of some good sound quality. And I definitely am as a big Beats fan. So, only thing to do, put them in, play some songs. I like to play a few different genres, just to kind of get the bassier kind of songs, the relaxing kind of songs, the atmospheric kind of songs, and then I can give you a real good review. So simply, headphone, over the ear. Yeah. Good, perfect. Good, made that little do-not noise, so I know that they're now connected. Good, now, I haven't got any music uploaded, so okay, so sound test done. I'm not going to say they're 100% perfect. I wouldn't lie to you, especially for 220 quid. I really don't believe that you're going to get your full money's worth here. I think it's rich, I think it's bassy, but it's lacking some depth to the music. I feel like it's kind of a little bit tinny. I'm definitely going to swap them in for my studios. However, it's not going to be an easy decision. The only reason I'm going to stop it is because the studio is now getting way too sweaty, starting to get really dirty, and they're an expensive pair of headphones.
And I do really want to just kind of preserve them and save them for long distance travel, and kind of when I need the noise cancelling features, and kind of when I just want to have a little bit more of a luxurious look. This is for the gym, it's pure sweat, pure water, pure grind. 220, I think it is a little bit steep for what you're getting. I mean, what can I really expect for this amount to pack a punch? I mean, some of the truly wireless earbuds that I've tried recently, like the Java for example, I think they packed a bit more of a punch, personally, than these Beats Pro. I do really want to love these headphones, but I think for 220, I think there's something better out there on the market. However, if you are a Beats or an Apple fan, this will be a very nice addition to your collection. I mean, I am going to add it to my collection. I do think the sound quality is there. I just don't think it is 100% where it needs to be for this product. And I mean, Beats haven't really released a headphone for a very long time now. And for this to come to the market, I think they could have done slightly better. However, like I said, I'm not flogging them off. I do love them. I just need to be honest with you guys before you spend your money. I'm going to keep these, I'm going to use them, I'm going to use them in my daily activities in the gym. But I mean, if you're comfortable using Beats Studios within the gym and you're happy continuing to do that, then stick to them. Don't change to these. There's really no reason for the sound to come down a notch. Stay where you are. However, if you are with some shitty products out there, which there is some really bad products out there, if you've got the money to spend, these headphones will do the job. They will do the job, but make sure you do your research. There are other better headphones out there for the price that you will pay for these. That is guaranteed, 100%. I've just quickly popped onto the Apple site to just kind of get a little bit inside of the information about these headphones. We listen to real athletes with the aim of designing wireless earphones that match their toughest workouts, and we heard over and over that sound was their top priority. Powerbeats Pros boast powerful balanced audio thanks to entirely redesigned acoustic packages that delivers pure sound, reproduction, enhanced clarity and improved dynamic range. No. Because great sound starts with the proper fit. I believe that these feel amazing in your ear. They do not wobble, they're not heavy, it barely feels like there's anything in your ear. The design, they have got spot on, and I'm 100% on board with Apple saying that. I agree. Fits perfectly snug, not like it's anything in your ear that's too heavy from some previous products that they have released and previous companies. So this has got the fuel charging too, so obviously for 5 minutes you're going to get an hour and a half playback time. This is what I've always loved about these headphones and the Beats in the collection. You can just got that fast fueling, okay? So if you're in a rush and you're like, oh, I haven't charged my headphones, bang, plug them in. 5 minutes is all you have to give it, and you're going to get an hour and a half. That's longer than you will need for the generic workout. An hour, normally. So yeah, 5 minutes, 1.5 hours playback. What more could you want? You've obviously got the case for backup. Swish. Honestly, should you be buying these? If you are a Beats and an Apple fan, yes, get them. They fit beautifully. The music isn't that bad. I just expected something better for 220 quid. But what is it? It's Apple, it's Beats. They're gonna slap the price up. You're gonna buy them. Happy days for them. Is it worth buying them? Yes. Is there better in the market? Yes. Go and have a little play around. Ask someone in the Apple store what they think. Go and watch other YouTube reviews. See what they're saying about this headphone. Read some reviews, go to the stores, they might let you try these out themselves before you buy them. Normally a lot of places have on-ear headphones out on display, speakers and earbuds and stuff. You can have a little play around before you buy. They say that they've designed these for the athletes that have wanted better sound. I can see what they've tried to do. I believe it could be richer, I believe it could be better. I believe Apple and Beats could produce something better. Like I said, I've been waiting a long time for a new Apple and Beats product to come out. Did it live up to my expectation? No. Will I still be using it? Yes. I'm sure I'll fall in love with them. These slide in, nice charging case, looks slick, 9 hours payback time, 5 minutes and you get an hour and a half charge payback. The technology inside of these is incredible. I think the money's a bit steep, but I love them. Beats, well done, you've done it again. A product that I like, however, I think there's better work out there. Beats, battery. Thank you for everyone that's making my YouTube channel grow and flourish. It is lovely to see you all out there. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm in my home gym studio. I'm also a personal trainer, so if you are into fitness or you have any fitness questions or you need some help with your gym, please go on my Instagram page, please send me a message and I'm more than happy to help you. I will put a link in the description and I will also put a little something on this video for you to click on, or just my little username so that you can find me. Thank you very much, guys, as always. Till the next time.